Hello, my name is Claudia Vannucchi and I work at the European Institute for Energy Research in Germany. I'm here today to introduce you the PandaProSumer fact sheet in the framework of IEA Cities Task 2. Before, centralized energy production used to rule the world, so what you would usually see looks a bit like the picture that we have here on the left, with many houses connected to a central power or heat plant. Now things are shifting a bit, so we see more and more of what are so-called prosumers around our cities. But what is a prosumer? Prosumer is someone that has an energy demand for the electricity grid and district heating, but can also satisfy some of that demand on their own. So for example, we see here in the picture on the right, it can have some PVs installed on the roof or on the balcony. It can use different storage mediums like the heat storage or batteries, and it can also have some conversion technologies like power to heat, for example, a heat pump. All these changes mean that we're shifting from a centralized energy system to a decentralized one, in which customers are not only consumers, but can also be active producers and therefore have a potential impact on the local electricity grid. So in this frame of mind, it is important to be able to simulate what could happen in the near future with accurate tools. So you may be wondering now, what is PandaProSumer? So PandaProSumer is basically an open source tool that has been based on Python and developed by the IEFER and University of Kassel that can be used either as a standalone solution or it can be integrated with pandapower and pandapipes for network impact simulation. Or if you have any other additional external tools, it can also be integrated with them. It also comes with 12 ready-to-use technology models. You can either wait for the fact sheet release or you can head over to the link on the slide. The models have been validated with data from real demonstrators during the project's Synergy. The PandaProSumer fact sheet will give you a quick start guide to understand what PandaProSumer can do for you. It shows what are the data requirements to run meaningful simulation, and it lists all of the existing component models and their expected output. Obviously, a fact sheet is not going to be the solution to all of the problems we talked about, but it can be a starting point for cities to get interested in running development scenarios and understand how the distribution networks could behave in a future populated by prosumers. So we see here we have a user interface, we have the potential of creating different substations for our prosumers, and then we will get some results from the simulations. More information on PandaProSumer, connected topics, and existing examples is available within the results of the IEA Cities Task 2 and the connected experts within this task. To sum up, modeling the connection among different energy networks is becoming more and more relevant in a future European decentralized energy system in which consumers can be active producers. We invite you to explore the IEA Cities Task 2 fact sheet and discover how PandaProSumer can support your city's pathways to climate neutral heat. Please get in touch with us if you want to know more about it.